Prynawn da, croeso i'r adran Gelf. Good afternoon, welcome to the Art Department. Fel ych chi'n gallu darllen o'r sleid, mae pobl sydd wedi astudio celf a dylunio yn effeithio ar bywydau ni bob dydd, o'r tai ni'n byw ynddo i'r dillad ni'n gwisgo ynddo, i'r ceir ni'n gyrru. As you can see from the slide, those who have studied art and design have a profound effect on our lives every day, from the houses we live in, to the clothes we wear, to the cars we drive. Nod yr adran Gelf, we creu awyrgylch, croesawgar, saff, ble all bobl ifanc datblygu eu creadigrwydd. The aim of the department is to create a safe environment where pupils can develop their creativity, creating work which of his own interest and of a high standard. As you're aware, my name is Mr. David Richards. We are a small department where there are 3 members of staff, myself, Miss Broom, and Miss Lowry Isaac. Fel ych chi'n gwybod yn enw yw Mr. Richards, rydyn ni'n adran bach gyda 3 aelod o staff. Miss Broom, sydd yn gyfrifol am y ffotograffiaeth, fi sy'n gyfrifol am celf a dylunio, a Miss Lowry Isaac yn bwydo mewn wedyn i'r cwrsiau textiliau lefel A. Gallwch arbenigo mewn un o'r meysydd canlynol: celf a dylunio, celf gain, celf dylunio graffeg, textiliau, trida, ffotograffiaeth ac astudiaethau beirniadol. You can specialise in one of the fields: art design, fine art, graphics, textiles, 3D, photography and critical studies. Dros y 4 neu 5 mlynedd diwethaf rydyn ni wedi datblygu'r adran i cynnig ffotograffiaeth a textiliau lefel A. In the past number of years, we've developed the department to offer photography and textiles. Bydd y rhan fwyaf chi'n barod wedi gorffen neu ar fin gorffen cyrsiau tygau. Yn ystod y cyrsiau tygau, gethwch chi profiad o ymchwilio arlunwyr. Mae hyn yn elfen bwysig iawn yn blwyddyn 20 a 30, ble byddwch chi'n astudio arlunwyr, dilynwyr, crefft pobl sydd o diddordeb i chi ac yn berthnasol i'ch gwaith. A number of you will have about to finish or nearly completed GCSE studies, where the research on being aware of the work of artists is an important element to assessment. This will be developed on in year 12 and 13. Wel y gwyddoch chi, ni fydd amserlen llawn gyda chi yn blwyddyn 20 a 30. Bydd yna nifer o gwersi rydd ble byddwch yn cael cyfle i gweithio'n annibynnol o fewn yr adran. Mae croeso i chi mynychu'r adran awr cino neu unrhyw gwersi rydd. Well, as you're aware, your timetable in year 13 and year 12-13 will not be a complete timetable. There will be a number of free lessons where you will be able to use the department during dinner times and break times if you want to work independently. Mae blwyddyn 20 a 30 yn cam ymhellach yn eich addysg, cam tuag at falle prifysgol neu y byd gwaith. Rydym yn cael nifer o disgyblion bob blwyddyn yn camu o ysgol i prifysgol i cyrsiau arbennig o dda. As you will be aware, year 12 and 13 is another step on your educational pathway. A pathway that will lead either to higher education or the world of work. We have a successful rate of candidates reaching very good university places. Mewn amseroedd arferol, byddwch yn cael cyfle i weithio yn allgyrsiol, yn mynychu cyfweliadau gyda arlunwyr lleol yn dod i weithio yr ysgol a ymweliadau ar rielau. In usual times, we have had many artists come to talk to the pupils or run workshops or visit museums and galleries. Hopefully these times will return. Fel ych chi'n gweld o'r sleid, strwythur y cwrs yw 40% gwaith yn cael ei wneud yn blwyddyn 12, sef 40% o'r marc terfynol. A wedyn mae blwyddyn 13 yn cael ei rannu yn ddoi. Un yw'r gwaith cwrs, 36% chi'n gweld fyna, a wedyn yr arholiad 24%. As you can see from the slide, the structure of the course is 40% year 12, 1 unit coursework, then 2 units coursework in year 13, with an exam weighing at 24% to the final outcome. This presentation gives you a brief idea of the structure of the course and what the course entails. Mae'r cyflwyniad yma'n rhoi amlinelliad o'r disgwyliadau sydd yn ni fel adran. Os chi'n moyn cysylltu yn uniongyrchol gyda fi, mae croeso chi'n neud na. This presentation gives you a brief outline of the structure of the course. If you'd like to contact me directly, we can discuss the course and any other matters. Thank you.